In today's video, we're going to learn 10 basic Pidgin English phrases and 5 greetings in Nigerian Pidgin English. Basic phrases. Lesson 1. How far? In English, this means how are you or what's up. Lesson 2. I dey. You can use this as a reply to lesson 1. In English, this means I am fine or I am okay. Lesson 3. Wetin be your name? In English, this means what is your name? Lesson 4. Na so. In English, this is an expression or agreement or affirmation. It's similar to that's right or exactly. Lesson 5. I no sabi. In English, this means I don't know. Lesson 6. Abeg. In English, this is a short form of I beg. It is used to politely request something or ask for a favor. Lesson 7. How you dey? In English, this means how are you doing? Lesson 8. We have 2 ways of saying this. The first one is and the second one is The first one, which is similar to really or seriously. The second one is This is an interjection used to show understanding or acknowledgement, similar to okay or alright. Lesson 9. I want chop. In English, this means I want to eat. Lesson 10. Make we go. In English, this means let's go. Greetings. Lesson 1. How body? In English, this means how are you or how are you doing? Lesson 2. How you dey? In English, this means how are you? It's another way of saying how are you? Okay. Lesson 4. How far? In English, this means what's up or how are things with you? Lesson 5. You dey come? In English, this means are you coming or are you on your way? This is all for today. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.